Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to verify your BingX account. To verify your BingX account, launch open the BingX mobile app on your mobile device and log into your account like you normally do. Now from the homepage, tap on your profile icon which should be available at the top left or right corner. After tapping on it, scroll down under settings and then click on verification. Now, you will be asked to choose between basic verification or advanced verification. Choose any one option that you'd like to verify yourself with and tap on the verify now button. You will be asked to upload documents like government issued ID and a selfie with the ID. Make sure you have all of these information with you. Click the continue button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Select the country where your ID document was issued in the first tab. Now select your document type from the bottom, which can be an ID card, passport, or driver's license. Choose any one option from the document type option and allow access for your camera by tapping allow in the pop-up. Now, you will need to take a picture of the front of your ID type and the back of it and also provide a selfie with the ID. Once you've done that, you will need to complete any additional prompts such as your address verification. Once you are done uploading all the required documents, you can go ahead and wait for BingX to review your document, which will take a few minutes to a few hours. Right after you do that, you will be able to confirm and verify your ID on BingX. That is how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.